Hey, man, how you doing? Back again. All right, man, we got a club car onward here, but same thing as Tempo and the President. I recorded one of these prior, and it sounded like I was got hit with a nuclear bomb. So I'm going to redo it now and show you how to do it. First thing you want to do is just pull this off. So whenever you pull it off, you'll take this here and just push the center out. So when you put it back on, you compress them two wings. When you push that in, it expands them out, almost like a sheetrock screw, pretty much. All right. Same thing with that one. Now what I'm going to do, if I can get my fat behind in there. All right. If you look at it here, you got this is your accelerator to make sure your gas pedal opens all the way. And this is your speed here. And you can see this one here already has a zip tie on it. That's how you do the zip tie mod. You don't pull it too tight. You just tighten it a little bit and drive it, tighten a little bit and drive it. If you get it too tight, just cut it. But what you're gonna do here is loosen this here. It's a 10mm nut. You just loosen that, back this bolt out. Alright, I got it backed out there. And then you want to open this with your hand. This is what your gas pedal hooks to. This your accelerator cable hooks to here. When it pulls this this rod here. And just make sure whenever you pull it that it don't hit this, because that way you know you're getting full pedal. And also when this here, if you look at this, alright, you want to leave a little gap in there. Alright. So that way you know that when your gas pedal comes up, your butterfly, well, this is a fuel injection, so therefore the throttle plate is closing all the way there. That way you don't get no backfire, or as soon as you hit the gas, it'll take off. And then once you get that throttle adjusted, take your 10mm wrench, just tighten her back up, man. Now one thing about the throttle spring here, when you put the zip tie, just make sure you hook it around this last loop here. A lot of people hook it around here, and then over time it stretches out this last leg. Alright, to make sure you put it like this. It's easier if you'll take it, feed it in from the back side and go to the front. And then the club car onward, club car Tempo should run about 28 to 29 with the Kohler engine. Easy go. You don't do the zip tie, you just speed it up with a 10mm wrench. But all right, man, stay tuned, man.